लंच मुझे स्कूल में
Moral science books, page number 1515, burger belly lesson. Now we are going to do a new lesson, burger belly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anaya.
Ma'am, मेरे parents नहीं है.
Tell your parents to come and give the consent at the school gate. Forms are available. All right. Yes, Vinayak.
Excuse me.
Vinayak.
आज ही आना कि कल?
आप लोगों को मैसेज में 3 days का टाइम दिया गया था. ऑलराइट, सो अब आपके मम्मी के पास आज और कल का टाइम है. ओके, ऑलराइट. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द लेसन, ओपन योर बुक्स. यस आराम.
मेरे पेरेंट्स अलाउ नहीं कर रहे.
चिल्ड्रन, आप इस तरह से मुझे क्लास में मत बताइए. शुभ, लिसन टू मी. आपको शुभ, लिसन टू मी. लिसन टू व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. पेरेंट्स को बोलिए स्कूल गेट, फ्रंट गेट पर कंसेंट फॉर्म अवेलेबल है, वहां पर आकर अपना फॉर्म फिल करें और सबमिट करें. ओके, डोंट टेल मी लाइक दिस इन द क्लास. We'll miss out on the time that we have for class. Let's begin with our class. Page number 1515, burger belly. It says eating healthy. Now you're going to, yes, we are page number 15. Page number 15. Yes, sure.
मैंने आपका मैसेज देखा था.
शुभ, मैसेज पेरेंट्स के लिए, पेरेंट्स को देखने दीजिए, आप पढ़ाई कीजिए.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस रिया.
मैम, आज का एग्जाम नहीं होगा?
यस रिया.
मैम, आज का एग्जाम नहीं होगा?
You will be informed. Okay, you will be informed.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Okay. All right. Page number 15, 1515. Burger belly, eating healthy.
मैम, वो सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है?
आज था moral science period. Now, sometimes maybe your mother tells you have to eat green vegetables. Right? You need to eat all the pulses, all the dals that are made in the house. सब कुछ खाना है. और कभी कभी मन करता है सिर्फ बर्गर, पिज़्ज़ा, चॉकलेट्स, कूल ड्रिंक्स, ये सब खाने का मन करता है ना. सो इफ़ यू कंटिन्यू ईटिंग ऑल दिस, फिर क्या होगा? स्टमक में पेन होगा, वॉमिटिंग होने लगेगी, यू विल फील सिक. यस. Now this lesson is going to tell you something about what's going to happen if you keep eating burgers. This story is about 2 friends. Let's read the story and see what interesting things we are going to learn from here. First, the green band on top. Let's read. Your mother tells you to eat green vegetables, but you like fast food. Now, what is fast food? Fast foods, you have the word meanings given on page number 17. Come to page 17. The first word says fast food. Cooked food sold as quick meal. जो खाना बहुत जल्दी से बन जाता है. Okay, very quickly you make it, and there's a lot of oil and a lot of other things involved in that, which is not very good for your health. That is what's called fast food. So read this story to know why Sam gave up eating fast food. Yes, Irshanvi?
What does ma'am?
Moral science book.
Number?
Page number 15.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright, so let's read the story. Put your finger there, page number 15. You can see the picture of two boys over there. Can you see this picture? There are two boys. And Ayat Fatima, can you tell me what are they eating? Ayat Fatima, can you tell me what are they eating? Look at the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
What are they eating?
He's eating burgers
Burger
and french
and
fries and chips.
French fries. Okay, fine. Now let's read the lesson and see what's in the lesson. Once there was a boy, Sam, who loved to eat fast food. Every week, Sam and his friend John ate a big burger with French fries and fizzy drink. You know, Sam and John, they were friends, and what they used to do every week, they used to go out and they used to eat burger, French fries and fizzy drink. Fizzy drink वो होता है जिसमें बहुत से बबल्स होते हैं. It's full of gas bubbles. जब आप उसको खोलते हैं तो फिज करके वो ओपन होता है क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सा गैस है. Right? Now these children, they used to enjoy all this. Sometimes you also like to have cool drinks, pizzas and burgers with French fries. Yes? कभी कभी अच्छा लगता है, रोज नहीं. लेकिन ये दोनों बच्चे थे, ये क्या करते थे? Every week they used to go. Regularly they used to go and eat this. अब एक दिन क्या हुआ? Come to the next paragraph. One night in his dream, he saw two freshly made burgers with cheese, which said to him, "Eat us, we are delicious." अब एक दिन क्या हुआ? सैम जब रात में सो रहा था ना, उसको सपने में दो बर्गर्स दिखाई दिए और दोनों बर्गर्स जो थे वो पूरा चीज़ से लोडेड थे, दे फुल ऑफ चीज़. और उन्होंने आकर सैम को बोला, "Eat us, we are very delicious." Now see the picture. You can see the picture now. Look at this picture. Sam is sleeping and he can see the two burgers there. Yes. And then what happened? Sam took the two big burgers that he saw in his dream and he ate them in one mouthful. One mouthful means एक बार में उसने जल्दी से पूरा बर्गर्स खा लिया. And उसके बाद क्या हुआ? See the next line. Soon he began feeling sick, for he had eaten too much too quickly. अब क्या हुआ? जब उसने जल्दी से दोनों बर्गर्स एक बार में ही पूरा खा लिया, उसको क्या हुआ? He started feeling sick because he ate too much. बहुत ज़्यादा खाया उसने और बहुत जल्दी खाया. He was being greedy. उसने जल्दी जल्दी अब दोनों बर्गर्स खा लिए और उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Soon he began feeling sick, for he had eaten too much and too quickly. His tummy was aching. Aching means paining. His tummy started aching. पेट में दर्द होने लगा. He started feeling sharp pain. बहुत तेज उसको पेट में दर्द होने लगा. अब उसने क्या करा?
Please tell me page number.
Page number 1515.
Thank you, ma'am.
Soon he started feeling very uncomfortable. And then in his dream, he looked at himself in the mirror. See the last paragraph? Last paragraph. In his dream, he looked at himself in the mirror and saw that he had got a belly as big as Santa Claus. अब क्या हो गया? उसने सपने में ही, नींद में ही उसने देखा कि वो शीशे के सामने जाकर खड़ा हो गया है और उसने शीशे में देखा उसका बेली. यू नो व्हाट इज बेली चिल्ड्रन? डज एनीवन नो व्हाट इज बेली? यस रिया?
पेट.
पेट, यस, पेट को हम लोग स्टमक बोलते हैं, कभी टमी बोलते हैं, कभी हम लोग बेली बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, he went and stood in front of the mirror and he saw that he had a huge belly like that of a Santa Claus. Santa Claus जो है, आप लोगों ने Santa Claus के पिक्चर्स देखे हैं, टीवी पे कार्टून्स देखे हैं. Okay, now turn the page. You can see the picture here. You can see the picture here. Can you see the picture? Now see, Sam looked at himself in the mirror and he said, "Oh no!" The next line says, so he shouted, "No!" He was very scared. He said, "My God, अगर मैं इसी तरह बर्गर्स खाता रहा तो मेरा जो बेली है, मेरा टमी है, स्टमक है, वो तो सांता क्लॉज की तरह बन जाएगा. सब लोग हंसेंगे मेरे ऊपर." He was feeling very scared. और उतने में क्या हुआ? Now see page number 16, the first line. Page 16, the first line. Put your finger there, Ara. Sam woke up and ran to the bathroom mirror to check his tummy. Phew! It had all been a dream. अब क्या हो गया? There's a word over there, P-H-E-W. That's pronounced as phew. Now this is a sound which you make to show that you are happy. अगर आप कोई सपना देखते हैं, जैसे सैम ने सपना देखा कि उसका टमी जो है सांता क्लॉज का टमी हो गया है, लेकिन जब उसने उठकर बेड से मिरर में जाकर देखा तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था. तो उसने कहा प्यू. दैट इज़ अ साउंड टू शो कि वो खुश है, हैप्पी है कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. Right? So P-H-E-W, that means a sound which is made to show that something that what you were expecting but वो हुआ नहीं. जो वो सोच रहा था वो ऐसा हुआ नहीं, जो उसको सपने में दिख रहा था ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था. So he said thank God. अब क्या हुआ? Next Sunday Sam and John met at the restaurant, but something strange happened. Again, next week again Sam and John they met. जैसे every week वो मिलते थे, खाते थे burger, fries and fizzy drinks. Again they meet, but this time something happened. Before entering, Sam stopped at the door and said, Sam दरवाजे पर, रेस्टोरेंट के गेट पर, दरवाजे पर रुक जाता है. And he says, John, I don't want a burger today. मुझे आज बर्गर नहीं खाना है. If we keep on eating so many, I will become fat or sick. Now Sam John से बोलता है अगर हम लोग इसी तरह बर्गर खाते रहेंगे तो I will become very fat and I may even get sick. He says, so we can have salad. अब उस दिन से सैम ने डिसाइड करा अब हम बर्गर रोज़ रोज़ नहीं खाएंगे, कभी कभी खाएंगे, रेगुलरली सैलेड खाएंगे. सैलेड्स आर हेल्दी फॉर अस चिल्ड्रन. देन सरप्राइज्ड जॉन आस्क्ड, जॉन को एकदम, जॉन, यस अली, अली,
मैं भी सैलेड खाता.
Very good. Salads are very healthy, children. So Sam decided now he's not going to eat burgers anymore. Otherwise, he'll become like a burger. Big tummy he will have like Santa Claus. So he told John, now we will eat salads. And John was surprised. John says, so we are never going to eat burgers again. John ने कहा क्या अब हम लोग कभी बर्गर नहीं खाएंगे? Then what Sam says, of course we are. All I am trying to say is that we should eat salads more than burgers. Sam says, खाएंगे, बर्गर भी कभी कभी खाएंगे, लेकिन ज़्यादा क्या खाएंगे? Salads. Because salads are healthy. Right? Then John says, yes, you are right. Let us get a nice salad then. replied John with a smile. Now see the last picture. You can see the two friends. They are enjoying salads. Yes, they've started with burger, fries and fizzy drink and they ended up on salads. Now come to page number 17. It says reflections. Reflection means you have to think about it, sochna hai. To live a healthy life, you should eat green vegetables. You should happily eat the food that your mother cooks for you. Avoid fast food, drink lots of water. You need to drink lots of water, children. That's why I tell you in your break, whenever you're having a break during your classes, I always tell you go and have water. You need to have water. A lot of water is required. And you must eat fresh fruits, vegetables and proper healthy food that mommy makes at home. Fast food, don't have it all the time. Otherwise, like Sam, you'll get a big belly. Okay, you'll all become roly-poly. So avoid eating too much of junk food, fast food. Eat healthy food. Be strong. That keeps you healthy and strong when you eat proper food. Right? Now, see the meanings also I told you. Fast food, that is cooked food sold as quick meal. Aching, sharp pain. बहुत तेज दर्द हो रहा था सैम को. Restaurant is a place where people sit and eat cooked meals and pay for it. Restaurant is a place जहाँ आप मम्मी पापा के साथ जाते हैं, खाना खाते हैं and then you have to pay for it. You have to give the money. Strange means surprising. Something unusual. Right? Now let's see what the questions say. The first question says, what does Sam and John eat every day? Hayat, can you tell me the answer? What did Sam and John eat every week?
Ma'am.
Yes, Hayat. Burger and
French fries.
and then what did they drink?
Soft drink.
Fizzy drink. Okay.
Ma'am, fizzy drink.
शुभ, आपको मैंने कितनी बार समझाया है, जब एक बच्चे से मैम क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है आपको माइक ऑन नहीं करना है. थैंक यू हयात. ऑलराइट, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question says, in his dream, Sam had a belly like whom? Ali, in his dream, Sam had a belly like whom? किसकी तरह उसका belly हो गया था? उसने क्या देखा था? Ali? 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 उसकी belly किसकी तरह हो गई थी? Ali, quickly. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. His belly, in his dream, Sam had a belly like Santa Claus. Okay. Hassan, the next question. If Sam kept eating the burgers, what would happen to him? अगर Sam पूरा time burgers खाता रहता तो उसको क्या हो जाता? What would happen? He would have got sick. Yes, and he would have turned fat also. Sick and fat, right? Next question said, why should you have vegetables more than fast food? Yes, sure.
मैं मैगी कम खाता हूँ.
Okay, that's nice. We should have vegetables more than fast food so that we can live a healthy life. When you eat fresh vegetables, you can lead a healthy life. You will be healthy, you will not fall sick. अगर आप सिर्फ जंक फूड खाएंगे तो आप बीमार हो सकते हैं. Yes, Ronek? Yes, they make you healthy and strong. Good. Okay. Now see the next question where you have the pictures. This question where you have the pictures. Listen carefully. Here are some food items. Fill your plate with what you think is healthy. Now, what is healthy? The first one has been drawn for you, the arrow. Carrots. The first, carrots. Okay. Next, what else is healthy? Just name. Quickly you will name. Hriday, what else is there that is healthy?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay. Milk is there.
Ma'am, cashew. Ma'am, cashew.
Cashew nuts, yes.
Ma'am, cashew nut.
Okay.
Cashew.
Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. This you will do for homework, right? You will do this. You will do it for homework. And then page number 18 and 19 also. I will send you the image. You will complete. You have to color the basket over there, the fruit basket. Yes, you will color the fruit basket. First you will trace out the dotted lines and then you will color it up. Right? And make sure you write all the question answers that we discussed in class. I will send you the image. I will send you the image. You will complete your work and learn. Right? प्रांजलि आपने क्लास अभी ज्वाइन करी है जब क्लास खत्म हो रही है बेटे. मॉर्निंग में भी आपने क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं करी थी. नाउ वी आर फिनिशिंग. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन.